get more video, please subscribe the channel. Student, today we discuss about the fourth chapter of Mathematics part first 9th standard, ratio and proportion. In this, what is meant by the ratio? Ratio is the relation between two terms. The first term is called as predecessor and the second term is called as the successor. Now it is the relation. Now what is meant by this ratio is the ratio is the relation which one quantity bears to the another of the same kind, which is the same kind and having the same unit. It is called as the ratio. There are two types of the ratio. Now first one is the direct proportion and here is inverse proportion. There are two types of the proportion. First one is direct proportion and inverse proportion. What is meant by direct proportion? If in two quantities, if the ratio is constant, mean that their division is constant, then there is direct proportion, and if the product is constant, then there is inverse proportion. For example, that suppose you take as one example, in a vehicle travel in 2 liters at a distance 30 km, 6 liters 90 kilometers, and take suppose 10 liters 150 kilometers. Then if you take the distance, the ratio between these two means that 2 upon 30 is 1 upon 50, then 6 upon 90 is 1 upon 50, then 10 upon 150 is also 1 upon 50. Means that this ratio 1 upon 15 is the constant. At that time there is direct proportion. For this inverse proportion, we take the second example is such that suppose that the speed of the vehicle and you have to take as a time. Suppose in 20 km per hour. At that time the distance covered by with suppose 6 hours, and for 30 km the time required is 4 hours. At that time the product of these two means that 20 into 6 is 120 and also 30 into 4 is also 120, means that the product is constant. At that time there is inverse proportion. Can you understand this? Okay, then we take next point is that properties of the ratio. There are so important properties, look carefully. First one is the ratio of the numbers a and b is written as a as to b or it as a upon b. A is called as the first term, it is also called as predecessor, and b is called as the second term, it is called as successor. First term is predecessor and second term is successor. Second one is in the ratio of two numbers, if the second term is 100, then it is called as the percent. This is called as the percentage. Okay. Then third one is the ratio remains unchanged if its terms are multiplied or divided by the same non-zero numbers. म्हणजे इथे नॉन झिरो नंबर्स जर मल्टिप्लाय किंवा डिवाइड केलं तर रेशो मध्ये कोणताही चेंज होत नाही. Then two quantities taken in the ratio must be expressed in the same units. Units same असलं पाहिजे. Mean that suppose you take as sugar 2 kilogram and 300 gram. We cannot take 2 kilogram with 300 gram. Then at that time you have to convert this twice kg into gram, such as 2000 gram and then 300 gram. Then we have to find out the ratio of 2000 as to 300. Okay, mean that you have to take as the same unit, express in the same units here. Then the ratio of the two quantities is unitless. Now student, in this look carefully, twice kilogram sugar and 300 gram sugar. We convert it into a gram. Then suppose you take 2000 upon 300. At that time 2000 gram and 300 gram. Gram get cancelled, means that this is unitless property because both kinds, both quantity have a same unit, so they get cancelled. So it is unitless property. Can you understand this? Okay, we take practice set 4.1 first question. set 4.1 question number first. Find the ratio of the first number to the second number from the given pairs of the numbers in the reduced form. So simple. Such type of question can be asked in your examination. First one is 72 and 60. Means that first term is 72 and second term is the 60. The answer is. Now we have to find out the first number to the second number. So the ratio of 72 to 60. Is equals to 72 as to 60 is equals to 72 upon 60. Now this 72 is in the table of 12. 12 6 and this is 12 5. Now student, 12 12 get cancelled, mean that it is equals to 6 upon 5. Then answer in full sentence. Answer is second one is 72 as to 60 is equals to 6 as to 5. Can you understand this? Okay, we take the second one. The second question is 38 as to 57. The ratio of first term is 38 to the second term is 57 is equals to, here is 38 as to 57 is equals to 38 upon 57 is equals to 38 upon 57 is in the table of 19 2s and 19 3s. Means that 19 2s and 19 3s. 19 19 get cancelled, means that 2 upon 3. Therefore, answer in full sentence 38 as to 57 is equals to 2 as to 3. Then the third one is 52 as to 78. Then we write its answer here. Answer, the ratio of 52 to 78 is equals to 52 as to 78. Means that 52 upon 78. Now this 52 is 26 into 2 and this is 26 into how much? 3. Then 26 get cancelled, means that it is equals to 2 upon 3. Means that the ratio is therefore 52 as to 78 is equals to 2 as to 3 is our answer in full sentence. Okay, we take the second question. Question second. Find the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity in the reduced form. First one is 700 and second quantity is the 308. First quantity to the second quantity. So that its answer is the ratio of 700 to 308 rupees. Now look carefully student, here is unit is same, so I have to directly write here 700 upon 308. Now this 700 is in the table of 28. Look here, 28 into, if you have to divide 700 by 28, then it becomes 28 2s are 56, carries 14, becomes 140, 28 5s are 140. Then look here, 28 into 28 1s are 28, carries 2, becomes 28 28 1s are 28. Then this 28 get cancelled, means that 25 upon 11. Means that answer in full sentence. The ratio of the first quantity to the second one, means that 700 as to 308 is equals to 25 as to 11. Now the second one is 14 rupees and 12 rupees 40 paise. Look carefully, here is unit is not same. First you have to convert these rupees into paise and this 12 rupees plus 40 paise you have to convert into a paise, so that the answer rupees 14 is equals to 14 into 1 rupee means 100 paise is equals to 1400 paise. Then 12 rupees 40 paise is equals to 12 rupees means 12 into 100 plus this 40, it becomes 1240 paise. Means here is quantity is same, therefore the ratio of 400 to 1240 is equals to 1400. Sorry, here is 1400 to 1240. At that time 0 get cancelled, means that 140 upon 124. Then student, when you look carefully, it divide by 4, then 4 into 4 3s are 12 carries 2, 4 5s are, then 4 into 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 get cancel. We cannot simplify again, so that 35 upon 31. Therefore the ratio of 1400 paise to the 1240 paise is equals to 35 as to 31. Okay, we take next question. So question third, 5 liters and 2500 ml. Now here is the unit is difference here. So first you have to convert this liter into ml. At that time these liters, 5 liters is equals to 5 into 1000 ml, means 5000 ml, means that milliliter, and 2500 milliliter as it is. Therefore the ratio of 5000 to 2500 is equals to 5000 upon 2500 is equals to, look here, these two 0 get cancelled, means that 50 upon 25. Again we can simplify, 25 2s and 25 1s. 25 get cancelled, means that 2 upon 1. Therefore the answer in full sentence, answer 5000 as to 2500 is equals to 2 as to 1. Then second, look carefully, here is years and month, so we have to first convert into a month. So answer here 3 years 4 months is equals to, in 1 year there are 12 months, so that 4 into 12 plus 4, means that 48 plus 4 becomes 52 months. And this is 5 years 8 months. 5 into 12 plus 8 becomes 60 plus 8, 68 months. Therefore the ratio of 52 months to 68 months is equals to 52 upon 68. Student, we can simplify by using 4, means that 4 into 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are, then 4 into 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are, then 4 get cancelled, means that 13 upon 17. We cannot divide it, so that therefore the answer is the ratio of 52 as to 68 is equals to 13 as to 7. Okay, we take the next question. Next sub question, find the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity. Here is 3.8 kilogram and 1900 gram. Now student, answer is, first I have to convert this 3.8 kilogram into a gram, means that 3.8 into 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. This convert as, we take 30 on this 38, then after one digit there is decimal point, means that 3800 gram. equals to 100 into 38 and 19 into 100. 100 get cancelled, means that 38 upon 19. Then also this is the 19 twos and this is 19 ones, means that 19 get cancelled, means that 2 upon 1. Therefore, the ratio of 3800 to the 1900 is equals to 2 as to 1. This is answer in full sentence. Look here, here is also you have to convert this minute and second into a second. Then 7 minute 20 second is equals to 1 minute there are 60 seconds, means that 7 into 60 plus 20, it becomes 7 6 are 42, means that 420 plus 20, means that 440 seconds. Then 5 minutes 6 seconds, means that 5 into 6, 60 plus 6, 6 5 are 30, 30 plus, means that 38 and d0 300 plus 6, means that 306 seconds. Now student, then we have to find out the first to the second, means that 440 second to the 306 second is equals to 440 upon 306. Then student, we can simplify by using 2, then 2 2 0, then 2 into 2 1 2 5 2 3 2 to get cancel, means that 2 0 upon 153. Student, we cannot divide this is the prime number, so that this is our ratio. So the answer in full sentence, answer 440 second to the 306 second is equals to 220 as to 150. Can you understand this? Thank you very much.